Hey there, welcome to this lecture where we are going to start making AI do some magic for your writing. Think of it like giving clear, friendly directions to your friend who is helping you out. Before we jump in, let's talk about a word you have probably seen everywhere lately: prompt. A prompt is just a message or instruction you give to the AI, like a little task. It can be super short, like create a motivational quote for Monday, or it can be detailed, like act as a skincare expert, write a 3-line caption about the benefits of rosehip oil for sensitive skin using a warm tone and one emoji. The point is, the prompt you give determines what you get back from the AI. Vague prompt gives you vague result. Clear and detailed prompt gives you powerful personal output that sounds like you. Think about the last time you got frustrated staring at a blank screen. That's exactly what a good prompt fixes. Why prompts matter? Think of AI like a super eager assistant. It can write anything, but it doesn't know your style, your audience, or your goal unless you tell it. A good prompt saves you time, sounds more like you, needs less editing, lets your creativity shine instead of producing dull robotic text. So, in this section, I am going to teach you a simple way to write great prompts. No guessing, no stress. Here's my favorite prompt formula, the one I personally use for almost everything: role, task, context, format. Let's unpack it. Role. Who would the AI pretend to be? Task. What exactly do you want it to do? Context. Any extra details it needs to know. Format. How should it deliver the final output? Pause here. I know it might feel like a lot, but once you try it, it makes everything so much easier. Example. Let's say you want a caption for your travel page. Then you will ask, act as a travel blogger, write a 100-word Instagram caption about Bali beaches for solo female travelers. Focus on relaxation and safety. Add 3 emojis. Let's break it down. The role is travel blogger. The task, write a caption. Context, Bali, solo travel, plus relaxation or safety. The format, 100 words and 3 emojis. See how the AI now knows exactly what you want. The result will feel intentional and polished, not random. Let's see another example. Now imagine you are a finance coach helping freelancers. Then you have to ask like this: act as a personal finance coach. Write a tweet thread on how freelancers can save for taxes using a simple 3-step method. Make it friendly and easy to understand. Use bullet points. Again, clear instructions, clear structure. The AI will give you something almost ready to post. And remember, you are guiding your AI teammate, not bossing it around. You're giving the same kind of direction you would give a content writer, a designer, or even yourself. This is how your content keeps your personal touch and stays authentic. Pause for a moment. Imagine the AI as your teammate. Feels different, right? Quick challenge. Alright, now let's try something together. Open Gemini or ChatGPT in a new tab. Don't worry about making it perfect. This is your rough draft playground. Here's a challenge prompt. Act as a mindset coach. Write a short Instagram caption about how self-worth isn't based on productivity. Keep it gentle, inspiring, and include 2 emojis. Here's the tip. Once you try this, challenge yourself to add a small tweak or symbol like quotes, brackets, to make it even clearer for the AI. See how that changes the output. And that, friends, is the power of a good prompt.